Health should be our priority, and this pulse oximeter from Dr. Vaku is here to help us maintain a healthy lifestyle, not only for us but for our families as well. So today we'll be talking about Dr. Vaku's pulse oximeter. First of all, let me tell you what exactly is the pulse oximeter. It's a device to measure the oxygen level of the blood, heart rate and pulse intensity. So let's check out the device. Pulse oximeter from Dr. Vaku, and if I talk about the body and design, this oximeter is light in weight, it's compact and it's portable. You can carry it in your pocket and your bag wherever you go. Also, extra points for this hand strap provided by the company. There's a hole in this oximeter. You can insert the strap through this hole, and once you're done, you can put the oximeter like this in your hand. Also, this oximeter comes with two AAA batteries. On the back side of this oximeter, there's the battery compartment. You can take off the cover and insert the batteries. Make sure you insert the batteries in the opposite direction. On the front side of this oximeter, there's the OLED display. This is the start button. You need to press the start button to switch on the device. Once you switch on the device like this, you'll see that the display is quite bright, so you can use this device both indoors and outdoors. Also, you can adjust the brightness according to you using the start button. Now, how to use this oximeter? This device is really easy to operate. All that you need to do is, you need to push the clip like this and put your finger inside. Prefer your index, middle or ring finger. Make sure your finger is not wet and you haven't applied any nail polish. Stay still and wait for 8 to 10 seconds. You will be able to see the readings on the display. So as you can see, my result is on the display. This is my oxygen level, here's my pulse rate, and in case if you don't understand any symbol, you can always refer to the user manual. If I talk about the performance, this oximeter is accurate and reliable. It gives us results within seconds and it's budget friendly. So it's a good buy for anyone who wants to keep an eye on their personal health in order to achieve a healthy lifestyle.